Session we will learn how to prepare the soap. Okay, already we studied that soap is chemically soaps are sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. The sodium salt of fatty acid we use for cleaning the clothes, and the potassium salts of fatty acids we use for bathing. Okay, that is the only difference. So chemically soaps are sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. What are fatty acids? We discussed about that one. Fatty acids are extremely long chained hydrocarbons with carboxylic group. What is carboxylic group? COOH group is nothing but carboxylic group. Okay, next we also studied that the formula of soap is RCOONA. Okay, generally we represent it C17H35COONA. Okay, next one, see symbolically instead of writing C17H35, this one is structure, it is very difficult. So we use this symbol to represent the soap molecule. This has two parts, one is the head part, another one is the tail part. Head part you will have, what is that? COO polar, we call it as polar end because two poles are there, COO minus Na plus. Okay, this already I told you, this is hydrophilic and this is hydrophobic. Alkyl group, this tail part is hydrophobic, means it likes to mingle with the dirt and oil and other things, but this is very much interested towards the water. Okay, we studied all those things in our earlier classes. Now in this session we will learn how to prepare the soap. For that one, what are the materials needed? See this one, the first one is the distilled water. This is known as, what we call it, distilled water. Next, what is the second one? What is the second material we need? See this one, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, observe this one, sodium hydroxide pellets. Sodium hydroxide pellets. Okay, so how much we need? 15 to 20 grams. Okay, next one, what is that? 60 ml of coconut oil. See this one, this is coconut oil. Okay, 60 ml of coconut oil is needed. Next one, common salt. This is the common salt. Okay, next one, what is that? Spirit lamp. Okay, this is a spirit lamp. See this one, this is the spirit lamp. Next, wire gauge. Okay, this is the wire gauge and beakers. Okay, these are the materials we need. So before doing the experiment, what you have to do, you have to prepare the aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Aqueous solution in the sense, sodium hydroxide pellets are dissolved in water, dissolved in distilled water. For that one, I am taking 50 ml of see this one, I am taking 50 ml of distilled water. Okay, 50 ml of distilled water in a beaker. See this, I am taking 50 ml of distilled water. Next, in 50 ml of distilled water, what I am doing? I am adding 15 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets. See this one, sodium hydroxide pellets are white in color. Okay, see this. Dilution of sodium hydroxide pellets is an exothermic reaction. The beaker gets heated. Okay, observe this one. I am preparing aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide by dissolving 15 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets. Okay, now I prepared sodium hydroxide aqueous solution. Sodium hydroxide aqueous solution. Next, see this one. For that one, what I am doing? I am adding 60 ml of coconut oil. 60 ml of coconut oil. (60 ml of coconut oil with constant stirring. I prepared the aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and I added nearly 60 ml of coconut oil. Next, now I am taking, see this one, 15 grams of common salt. I am dissolving this common salt in 200 ml of water. Observe this one, 200 ml. Okay, is it 200? Salt solution, aqueous solution. Salt is dissolved in water. So what I am doing, I am adding this 200 ml salt solution to, what is that? So shall we take it in this beaker? This one is large one, na? Okay, I am taking it. You keep aside. Keep it there. See what I am doing? I am heating the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. Observe what happens after that. Koncham. Do you find the layer? See this one. This is your soap, and what I am doing? I am pouring this mixture, hot mixture, in a mold. You will get circular shape soap. Okay, so see this. Okay, so this is your soap. We have to wait for at least 1 hour to settle down. Okay, you will get a circular shape of soap. Are you clear? So if you pour in different molds, you will get different shapes of soaps. Are you clear? So this is the way how to prepare the soap in the laboratory. So in place of sodium hydroxide, if you take potassium hydroxide, if you neutralize with potassium hydroxide, you will get potassium salt of fatty acid. That potassium salt of fatty acid is used for bathing. We should not use for bathing. This is used only for cleaning the clothes. Are you clear about that one? Now switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. Okay. Let it cool down for some time. Let it cool down for some time.